know how to make a snowball? Yay, it's snowing! Kristen, why don't you sit down and make an angel in the snow over there in that white snow, that white fluffy snow? See it over there? No, not that snow there. Right over there. Yes. Lay down on your back and let's see if you can make an angel. Now, get up slowly. Walk this way. What do you see? An angel? With the wings and everything, huh? Hooray, snow! Hooray, snow! Whoops! You don't like the snow, do you?
Yeah.
Oh, you do?
Snow. Snow on my coat. Snow on my coat.